Hi there everyone, here we are on location again with another happy customer from A&A Masonry. And the work we did here was we did urethane on the porch. We also did a retaining wall with the stone here. You'll see stone around the front door that we installed, as well as stone around this window with a windowsill. You'll also see stone in front of the garage on both sides that we did as well. So we're going to talk to Joanne here, and let's hear what she has to say.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
We had a couple of cracks on the porch here that were getting bigger every year. And we had a retaining wall that was put in here that was cracking, and I thought it was just the stone on the top, but it turns out it was kind of falling apart all the way down. So something had to be done. And we decided we better replace the retaining wall and do something about the cracks. That's how we started. Well, I was lucky enough to have a sister living in Georgetown who had her windowsills replaced by your company. And she recommended them highly. And that's actually one of the first things we did. They came and did the windowsills, the limestone windowsills on 5 main floor windows. And I was happy about that because the bricks were crumbling on that as well. I mean, the house is 43 years old. They don't last forever. Things have to be upkept. Excellent. A phone call back right away, a contact that would come out, give me an idea of what they could do and what it would cost, and it just snowballed from there. Oh, very, very professional. Introduced themselves, told me what they were going to do, asked me if I had any questions, told them I wanted to be part of the decision making as they continued on with the job. So we had the limestone window sills put in first, and then Pierre came and did the urethane and the hydraulic cement in the cracks on the porch, and we were happy with that. So we progressed to going and picking out the stones for the retaining wall, and we went to Sid's Ponds just down the street to do that. That was convenient. I liked the fact that they billed me directly, and then I only paid for the labor through A&A Masonry. Oh, well, the neighbors were all worried we were moving, because as soon as we started to do work, they thought, okay, what's going on here? So they saw the sign up, and other neighbors commented on how I took a picture of your sign because you seem to be happy with what's going on, and I have a couple of people that are interested in their work, so I'll pass the information on to them. Oh, I'm very happy with them. I'm hoping I don't need to have anything more done, because not only did this snowball here because we took the shutters down after having our eaves and fascia and ceilings and everything done, and all the siding on the front of the house, it just kind of kept snowballing, and it looked empty without the shutters. So I came up with the idea of, they do such good stonework, why don't we get them to put some stone around the 2 entrances here, the window and the door. And I'm very happy with that. And they worked very clearly and easily with me, laying out the pattern on the front walk for me, jiggling here and there. Well, we could do this, we could do that. And, well, okay, I'm not happy with that. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, that's better. So we came to some conclusions, and the job was done, and I'm very happy. No, the guys were happy. I served them tea and coffee and cookies and iced tea and anything they wanted when they were here. They seemed to be self-sufficient, but they were welcomed any time we wanted to help out.
So there you have it, a great review by Joanne. Part of this job was for cosmetic appearances, and part was to fix structural inadequacy with the outside of the home. In a nutshell, if it's a structural renovation, it concerns with rebuilding the load-bearing walls or foundations of a building. In this case, where the retaining wall of the porch was concerned, it addressed a structural problem. The cracks in the porch were repaired, and then urethane was applied to protect the porch and give it a great aesthetic appearance. When renovations become cosmetic, they are generally a refresh of the home's visual elements. This is where Joanne wanted some beautiful stone installed that complemented the existing exterior of the home for a great curb appeal. You can see here the difference with the look of the front door and window with the stone after the shutters were removed. With matching stone on the sides of the garage doors, it makes for a great overall appearance. A&A provides these solutions to homeowners every day and specializes in diagnosing and getting to the root of any problem and doing perfect work that will stand the test of time and last for many years to come. To keep you updated on more videos from our education library, hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay on top of the cutting edge of home transformation with A&A Masonry.